If you use Firefox on Windows, keeping your extensions up to date is one of the easiest ways to make sure everything runs smoothly, stays secure, and works the way it should. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Firefox extensions in Windows in just a few simple steps. This is quick, easy, and perfect if an add-on is acting up or you just want to make sure you're using the latest version. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your Windows PC. Once the browser is open, press Ctrl, Shift, and A on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you straight to your add-ons and themes page, where all of your installed extensions are listed in one place. Now look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a gear icon there. Click that gear icon to open the settings menu for your extensions. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Check for Updates. Click on it and Firefox will begin checking your installed extensions for any available updates. If updates are found, Firefox will download and apply them automatically. This is a great way to make sure your extensions are current without having to update each one manually. After that, you can continue browsing as normal, knowing your Firefox add-ons are up to date and ready to go. If you ever notice strange behavior, missing features, or compatibility issues, checking for updates is one of the first things you should try. It only takes a moment, but it can save you a lot of trouble later. So just to recap, press Ctrl, Shift, and A, click the gear icon in the top right, and then select Check for Updates. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.